Hello guys, today in this video we are going to review PinkCherry.com website where you can purchase you guess like adult toys. So you should buy any toy on this platform or not. They are legit or it's just a new scammy platform. Okay, so first of all, if we talk about this brand, this brand is very popular and they are approx 23 years from now. So you can imagine the time period of this brand. Okay, and they are also available on Instagram, they are also available on YouTube, they are also available on Trustpilot. So in the terms of presentation, in the terms of legitness, they are 100% legit. Okay, and if we talk about like reviews, they have 651 reviews, and most of the reviews are you can like positive, but they also have some kind of negative reviews. But each and every person have different experience, so maybe like some of them are facing some kind of issues. But the good thing is about the brand is like they are replying their customer, they are in touch with their customers. Why they are getting negative reviews, they are very you can like very active, like why they are getting negative reviews, why the customers are providing negative reviews, and what's the customer's problem. So you can see over here they are very active with their customers. Okay, so each and everything is indicating like the brand is really good, and you can make a purchase of any product on this brand. Okay, but before making any kind of purchase, please contact with the customer support after reading the negative reviews. What's the problem customer facing and what's the solution? If you maybe say if you maybe face same kind of issue, so how you can resolve the issue, you can contact this thing with their customer support. Okay, and once you satisfy, then you can make a purchase. Okay, so now if you have any questions, you can make a comment, I will reply you very soon. And thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.